Hello all, welcome to EIMS demo. EIMS stands for Enterprise Inventory Management System. These are the keywords of EIMS. Inventory. This is where all the product stocks are managed. For example, uh, a bike, a car, tractor, all these are inventory and its spares are all inventory. The next is a product. This indicates a particular product of an inventory. For example, TVS Scooty. Next is item. Item indicates a particular instance of product. For example, TVS Scooty engine number ABCD something. So this is a particular instance of that product. That is called item. Next is the purchase order. So this is the purchase made by us. Say for example, we buy car, tractor or spares from a vendor. So this is the purchase order. And next is the inquiry or quotation. As the name indicates, this is the inquiry or quotation for the products we have. Next is sales or invoice. So this is basically the actual sales where we sell the product to the customer. Let's see in detail. The first is the inventory. So the first thing we need to do is we need to create a product. So when we create a product, we have to provide all this information: name, brand, GST rate, purchase price, retail price. Let's do it. So this is the actual software EIMS. So once it opens up, we'll see a default home screen. Let's close it for now. So the inventory, let's go to the inventory. So it is under menu, inventory, choose the category. So inventory, here we are going to do add an inventory for bike. So let's choose the category bike. So this is the inventory. So once you choose the category, you will see all the available products which are already configured. To edit a particular product, you can click on it and edit it. Let's create a new product. So on the left hand side, you can see a new product. So to create or configure new product, click new product from left hand side. So on the left hand side, you can click on new product. So here you need to enter the name, image, brand, model, GST rate, all these things. So name, for example, Hero Splendor Plus. You can click on the pencil and add the image. You can download any image from the net and add it. So I have this image already, so I'm just adding this image. And the next is the GST rate and HSN code, purchase price, retail price. So GST I'm leaving it as empty, and the purchase price. And the next is the threshold. The threshold is the actual number. If the stock reduces below this level, the product will appear in the stock shortages page. So whenever the whatever number we provide, whenever this the amount of number this product decreases, it decreases below 2, you will get a notification here. So here you will see a notification that this is the quantity available and the minimum required is this threshold number. So here we are saying we should always have two numbers of Hero Splendor always. Whenever it decreases, we should see this here, so that we can make the next purchase immediately. And the next is the skew. So this is where we will add the colors, whatever colors we have: red, black, silver. So once you have added all this thing, so this is the inventory configuration, basic configuration. So you add all these details: purchase price, retail price. Retail price is the sales price, and then the HSN code. If you have HSN code, you can enter. And then what are the colors, images, click on save. Now you will see a message, product saved. Now the product has been saved. If you go back, you can see that the new bike, the Hero Splendor Plus, and the quantity is empty because we just have configured the product. To edit the product anytime, you can come here again, click on this thing, you can again edit it and save it. So this is the basic configuration of inventory. Next is the purchase order. So now we have created a product. Now we are going to see how to add an item into the inventory. So basically we don't have any quantity here as of now. So now let's see how to add an item quantity. So that process is called the purchase order, a process through which an item is added to inventory. So how to navigate is menu, purchase order, new purchase order. So you go to this menu, PO, new purchase order. Here you choose the category. Now you can see that this is the Hero Splendor Plus we created recently, we just now. To purchase this product, just click on this and it will show you all the different colors we configured: red, black, silver. Click on it. On clicking of it, it will show you the purchase price, whatever purchase price we have configured, and what is the quantity. Say for example we are going to buy 3 Splendor Plus and it will come you 45, 1,50,000. So if you want to edit some price, you can just enter it, edit it. Click on add. By adding it, you will see that the item is added to the cart. And click on next, and here you enter the dealer information. Say for example Hero dealer Chennai, like that. But if you want to add an existing dealer, you can click on it and you can see that the dealer already there. You can just select that and add it. Click on next. Now you can see the dealer information is here and the order date when we are doing the order. So if you, for example, you want to do an order of which of the past date, you can select the particular date. Now you can see that this is the bike, and this is the price, and this is the price. Total 1,53,000. Just click on it, save, and the purchase order is saved. So now we have created a purchase order. That means a request to the vendor is made for the selected product. We have requested this vendor for this product. Next is the fulfillment. So this is the place where once we receive the product, for example, once we receive this Hero Splendor, we can enter the details of the Hero Splendor. Say for example, we receive the Hero Splendor Plus of whatever quantity, 3 quantity, whatever we requested. Out of it, say we received a one Hero Splendor Plus now. So in that case, just go to this fulfillment tab. Here you can see that the product. Click on the plus, and here you can add the stock. So here you can choose the color, whatever color, and the engine number. So here whatever price we have entered during purchase PO, that price will come here. So if you want to edit anything, you can edit it here. So now on clicking of OK, you can see that the item has been added, and the ordered quantity is 3, fulfilled quantity is 1. That means we have ordered 3 quantity and received 1 quantity. Now if you go to this inventory, you can see that the quantity is 1 here, as we have added 1 item. Okay, so let's close this purchase order, everything. So this is how we add an item to the fulfillment. Let's see, we want to make some changes to the fulfillment. You can come to the PO, search the particular PO, click on it, the fulfillment. Here you can click edit anything you want, or if the next item is also received, you can click on add stock and add the next item. Say for example, so here the second item is also added. So now if you go to inventory, and you can see that 2 quantities are available. So this is the workflow of the purchase order and fulfillment. So once the fulfillment has been made, an item will be there in the inventory. Now you can see that there are 2 items of Hero Splendor Plus. Next is the product package configuration. So this is the place where we bundle the product along with other products, or split up the price. Say for example, so this is the Hero Splendor Plus. You go to inventory, again inventory, bike, whatever inventory, click on the product, and here you can see that configure package. Click on the package, and here you can see the features. So this is the place where you can define the split up of price. Say for example, the actual price is 90,000, which we can split up. Say for example, showroom price 80,000, insurance 3000, RTO 2000. So now you have split up this price with these three classification. And the same way you can add attachments or fittings to this product. Say for example, this product can be sold along with the other accessories. Say for example, helmet. You can add this helmet. By doing so, the whenever you sell this product, helmet is also sold along with this product. And here you can see the price of this helmet. If you want, you can edit it and give it for free. So that means this is sold for zero price. And the same way you can have inclusive. Inclusive means it will be always selected at the time of sales. So we have added two products along with this product, and the price split up is also done. Click on save. So now the product package is saved. So this is the custom configuration of a inventory or a product, where we split up the price and add additional product, bundle additional product along with this product. Let's go to quotation. Go to help desk. You have quotation, new quotation. Here choose bike. And here you can see that your product Hero Splendor Plus. Click on it and you will see Chennai red one is there, Chennai black one is there. This is the existing quantity available in our inventory. So now we have red one and black one. Click on the product which the user wants, and here you can see that showroom price, insurance price, RTO price, total 90,000. If you want to change any price, you can change it here. So that means you are selling it for a different price. And here you can see that the seat cover, which is 500 rupees, and the helmet is of 0, which is not selected. You can select it. So we are giving helmet and seat cover along with this product. Click on add. Now you can see that Splendor Plus helmet, seat cover are there in the cart. Click on next, and here you can enter the customer details. You can search for existing customer as well, so you can search all the available customers, and so you can see that these customers already there in the Chennai city. So now you have this customer and the quotation details. You have this price split up, helmet, seat cover, and here you can enter the cash or finance. For finance, if you have any finance detail, you can enter here, and you also have a finance calculator here. Say for example, if you are going to give a loan for 50,000 or something, enter the amount, what is the interest rate, and what is the tenure, processing fee, calculate EMI. This will show you the EMI and all this thing. Whatever details you want to copy, you can copy and put it here. And clicking of save will save the quotation, and here it will create an inquiry if you want. Okay, after 30 days, just click on it and the quotation is saved. Click on print to print the quotation. So this is the quotation which you can share with your customer or take a printout in the printer. So now you can see that the organization details, the customer details, and the price split up, how we are splitting the price, and what are things we are selling along with this, giving along with this product, and the finance detail, whatever finance detail we are giving, that will come here. So that is a quotation. Next is inquiry. So this is when a customer comes to a showroom and just ask for some details. So you can fill all these details. Say for example, some customer, what they are asking for bullet, Royal Enfield bullet. Here you don't need an actual product. You can just whatever they ask, you can put it here. Looking for a brand new bullet. Whatever the customer is looking for, you can enter the details here and enter the customer area, all these details. And click on save. So once you save here, after 20 days you will get the notification here in the home page. You can follow up on the customer again, and if the customer says some additional information, you can clear add note, and uh, you can add the details whatever the customer had, whatever you discussed with the customer. Say for example, plan postponed. So you can see that there is a note added here. So we will be able to track all the discussion happened with this customer in this page. So once the customer buys this product, you can close the inquiry, or the customer decided not to buy, you can cancel the inquiry. So once you close or cancel, it won't appear here in the follow-up again. And next is sales or invoice. This is the actual sales we make. So this, you can close all the tab tools, close all tabs. So here you have sales, click on new invoice, choose the bike category, whatever category you are selling, and here you can see that there are two products. So you have the engine number, chassis number here, engine 1, engine 2. Click on this and you will see this price, whatever you are selling. So now you added all this thing. Next, here you enter the customer details, whatever the name, GSTN, address, everything. So I'm choosing an existing customer. So now we have the final page where we have the customer details, product, and other products we are selling along with this, and the invoice date. If you want to change the invoice date, you can click on the date, choose the date, and save. So now the invoice has been saved. You can print the invoice. So here you can see that the customer details, bike details, and the other products which you are selling along with this. And this is the GST details. If there is no GST, it will be coming as 0, and if there is no HSN code, it will be empty itself. And this is the actual bill. So now this product has been sold and the price is 90,000. And the next is the exchange section. So here you have exchange section. Say for example, the customer is selling, giving the old bike or something, you can capture that as well here. So I'm not doing it here, but you can choose the bike and enter the price and everything. Let's do it. Let's say they are selling the TVS Scooty, and whatever the register number, you can enter that. Purchase year and kilometer. And what is the price, exchange price, what is the price we are going to give for this product. So for example, 6,000 rupees. So now we have clicked save the exchange. So for this invoice, for this product we have bought this bike as exchange. Now if you go to payment, you can see that the invoice amount is 90,000 and the exchange is 6,000 and the remaining is 84,000. So we are going to collect only the 84,000, which you can click on the add payment, and whatever payment, cash, DD, credit card or online transfer, you can enter it. So for example, credit card 50,000, you added the credit card 50,000. So now the amount paid is 50,000 and the remaining is 34,000. Let's say the remaining 34,000 is cash. So now the cash has been fully paid. The next section is registration. So this is when we register the bike to the user and you get the register number. So once you get the register number, click on the pencil icon, enter the register number. So now you have entered the register number. That means this bike is registered to this customer with this register number. So now under one invoice we are capturing the exchange, registration, payment, everything. So whenever you want to see any details, you can come here and get all the details. What is the exchange products received, and what is the registration, and how the payment has been made, everything in this one invoice. Next is the reports. So for example, now we have this registration. Tomorrow if you want to track this registration, when this bike has been bought or when it is sold, you can go to report and there is a product trace. Here you can choose the bike register number. So whatever register number you have, you click on it and you will see that 22/28/22/8 we purchased this from Hero dealer and this was sold to this customer on this date for this price. So by this way we can track the bike, when it is bought, to whom it is sold, everything from this register number. You can click on this thing and you can go to that invoice again, or if you want to click on this, it will go to this purchase order. And the next is a sales report. You can, if you know the invoice number, you can give this invoice number or the date range, and on giving on this you will see that what is the total sales and what is the total purchase and what is the profit margin and what is the total line items. So here you can see that a helmet, seat cover, everything is sold for this. It is bought for this and sold for 0. Bike is bought for this and sold for this. So total profit is 39,900. So in this way we will be able to track the exact profit we achieved in one particular sales. Or you can give a date range as well. So based on the date range we'll be able to find the total profit. So here you can see that there are 15 items. So there are multiple invoices and multiple items from which we got this much profit for this month. Thanks for watching. We will meet again in the next video. If you have any question, please email us at support@lightbean.com. Thank you.